Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to install Netflix as an app on Windows. So to start, open your browser so you can use Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Firefox, or whichever you like. Then once you open that, go to the search bar and search for Netflix. Now click the first link. Make sure it's the official website. Now, once you click that, what you need to do is to go to the three dots at the top right. So it's where you can customize and control Google Chrome. So click on it. Now, in here, what you need to do is to look for Cast, Save, and Share. So it's at the bottom. So hover over that, and here, tap on Install Page as an app. You can also create shortcut. So we're going to click Install Page as an app. Now a pop-up will appear, so just click on Install right here to install Netflix to your device. And as you can see, it is now installed to my laptop. So now you can close your browser and open Netflix as an app. So if you see the Netflix logo right here, that means it's installed to your device. You can right click on it and you can pin it to your taskbar. You can also click the search bar and search for Netflix. So you can open it. So you need to sign in to watch movies on Netflix. And that's basically it. That's how you can install Netflix as an app on Windows. Thanks for watching.